Today we got a Cab High Leer 100R. Fits the 16 to current Tacoma Double Cab, a 5.2 foot bed. It's like a charcoal gray in color. It's in decent shape. It has some scuffs on it. Just have a little bit of a paint damage right here, some scuffs right there. Looks pretty decent. Top looks good, no damage on the top. Front looks really good. A bit of a bird poop right there, but that I'm sure will come off. Some scratches, a little bit of scuffs right here. A lot of that will buff out, but not really sure why it has that mark on both sides. This is just water running out of here. We just washed this a few minutes ago, so it does have some water spots and stuff on it. Bottom edge is in really good shape. No damage on the bottom edge. Does have the half side sliders in it. Front is a sliding window. Front looks really good shape. No damage on the front that I can see. Looks really good through here. Sliding window so you can access the cap from the cab and then the cab from the cap. Side looks good, no damage on this side. Does have the double T handle, or I'm sorry, it has the frameless rear door. Looks like it's a 100 XL. I told you it was a 100R. It's the 100 XL. A little bit of a scuff right there on the very edge. A little paint chip right there. But the bottom edge on this one looks really good. No damage on this bottom edge. All the way through here. Half side sliders on this side as well. Screens on the side look really good. No holes. Just water spots. That's all I'm seeing in here. This has the removable front slider, so you can flip this lever down here and over here and pull this open. That allows you to clean the front of this glass here and the back of the truck cab window there. Flip that back up, latch it down, and seal it. Oops. There we go. And latch it down. Away you go. There we go. This side screen looks good. No damage on the screens on this side. Here's the serial number. 100XR. I'm sorry, man, I need to learn my caps. It's a 100XR. So far I've told you 3 different models, but it is the 100XR. It says right on the serial number. It's the 5.2 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab, 16 to current model. Serial, the paint code's right below that. I cannot read that because I'm getting old. So there goes that. But the paint code is there, so there's a charcoal gray. 100XR Cab High fiberglass. It's a 16 to current model Toyota Tacoma with a double cab, 5.2 bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. You can click that link, see which location it is. Purchase it online. Make arrangements to pick it up online. See how much it is. All that stuff can be done on that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, decks units, things like that, those can be purchased online as well. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up at one of our locations. Thanks for calling. Thanks for watching, and subscribe below.